Okay, so if you'd like to add in stairs, there's a number of options you have available to you. But first, click on the stair button. And the first is the most typical, just a straight stair. And if you select that, right now you have a few options with it. First, make sure that it's on the level you want it to start on and the level you want it to end on. If for any reason there needs to be an offset, you can specify that amount. Over in the dimensions area, you're going to see right now it currently has 18 steps in it, and each step has an 11-inch spacing. So if you did 11 times 18, you'll get the amount of inches that the stair is traveling. In addition, each step rises roughly 6 inches, and that number is not editable in Revit. So decide what you'd like, and if you kept it as this, that's perfectly fine, and you could simply click, drag, and draw in that staircase. If, for some reason, you'd like to extend past this staircase up to another floor, that's perfectly fine. Simply click on straight again, position your stair such that it lines up with the railing of the other stair, and then click, and if you notice, you're going to be able to draw in another staircase, and it's going to create a landing for you such that your stairs interlock. So if I finish this, and I head over to the three-dimensional view, you can kind of see what it did there. It simply built my stairs up to the next floor. Okay, every time you need to create a staircase, you also have to go and click that OK button, and then you could create another staircase. Don't create multiple staircases in the same stair option. Okay, so if you go back to stair, your next option is a circular amount, or this is a full spiral staircase. To create a full spiral, you just need to specify the radius of it and where you want it to go, so level 1, level 2, and this should be fine. And when you apply a circular staircase, you can go up to 2.6 feet with it, or 2 feet 6 inches, and when you click it, it will create that staircase. You can go further, but it will no longer be circular unless you increase the amount of steps you have. So if you want it to go further, you have to increase that amount such that it matches. But once you have it in place, you click it, you finish, and then if you check it out, you're going to have a nice circular staircase. Okay, the next stairs, if we go over to stair, is this one. This is a center end spiral. It's very similar, except this one does not technically, or this one is not designed to spiral in. You can do it like that, but it's just a typical, not complete spiral-esque staircase. So, but I guess there are a lot of similarities between those two. Okay, the next one is the L staircase. This one's pretty easy to do as well, because this one is one of those pre-made staircases. So specify the top and the bottom, the number of steps, and it should do the rest, and you should be able to drop it down wherever you would like. There is a possibility that you might not want it facing the direction it is currently facing. That's perfectly fine. Simply select the staircase, use the button over here that's called Mirror Pick Axes, click on that, and then simply select a line to draw it. So I'm going to click there, and well, I guess I drew it over there, but that's fine. Let me move that over here and rotate that using the rotate command over here, and I could click on the top line and rotate it 180 degrees and click there, and now you have a staircase facing the other direction. Okay, so that's with the L. I did do that error where I said don't create two staircases in one file, but let's see how it handles that. Okay, it doesn't like it, but it should be okay. So you can see those two staircases in play now. And the last staircase type, if we go over to stair, is a standard U-shape winder. And this one works very similar. It's pre-made, so set up the dimensions how you'd like, and then simply apply it to the area. And if you want it facing the other direction, simply select it, mirror it over, and usually mirror is better, but okay. Mirror it over, select that, and then rotate it such that it's facing the opposite direction. So hit OK. Give it a second. And now if we check it out, you'll notice that the staircase is going opposite directions. Okay, so that's going to conclude this staircase video tutorial. Give it a go, design the stairs you like, and if you have any questions, let me know. Peace.